Hi, I'm Rich with Inside HPC. We're here at SC15 in Austin, Texas, and I'm here with Barry Davis from Intel and Scott Message from HP Enterprise. Gentlemen, welcome to Texas, I guess, but let's start at the beginning. You guys announced kind of a partnership back at ISC. What's happened since? What's going on?
You know, we did announce that back at ISC this year, back in Germany. Since then, this relationship between Intel and HPE has really been going really well. Right? We've worked together extensively on technology, right? Driving the Intel Scalable System Framework, but more importantly, into the HP Apollo platform, right? Bringing our Xeon Phi product line, our OmniPath product line, Xeon, some of the other interesting things that we're doing back at the Intel labs, and working extensively with HPE to figure out how we get all that integrated into the world-leading platforms from Hewlett Packard Enterprise. Along those same lines, we've been working on the go-to-market side. Right? Yeah. So we work with, we've set up an extensive center of excellence with some benchmarking capabilities where, really at this point in time, HPE is leading in terms of benchmarking and really determining with us and with their customers the value of some of the Intel technologies to the marketplace.
Yeah. So Apollo has been out there for a while, and now that you figured out you're going to work together, where are we at SC15? Scalable System Framework is just getting announced with your OmniPath. Well, where does HP start to integrate that into things people can buy?
Yeah, so fantastic, right? So come see us on the show floor.
Yeah.
I think you're going to see a couple of very nice examples of the partnership, right? So we're going to have some OPA content up and running in our booth, right? And we'll have some very nice proof point examples with customers that we've already started working. One of the key things that we've spent time on since June is really on the education process, right?
So
I agree. We highlighted to ourselves in June that one of the outcomes that we wanted from our relationship was really broader adoption of high-performance computing amongst both sets of our joint customers, right? So we have educated, I think, 3,000 of our joint sales force over the last couple of months, not just on the outcomes of the alliance, but on high-performance computing generally and where we think it's headed, right? So
yeah, the value of the technology, the value of the solution to the end user. And that's the kind of key, is focusing on the end user. And I just want to add that is that when we started this, it was really Hewlett Packard Enterprise that drove, we need to focus on the end user, right? And that's really been the focus here, is value to the end user.
Well, I think that ties in really well with the theme of the conference this year for SC15. It's HPC Transforms, and I just wanted to kind of wrap up here. And what does that mean to you?
Yeah. So you're going to hear a lot from Hewlett Packard Enterprise about the convergence between high-performance computing and big data, or high-performance data analytics, as we're calling it. And we think that's going to be a major theme going into the calendar year 16 and the years beyond. And I think that lines up very well with the partnership that we've launched together with Intel. Some of the technologies that we're exploring, the fabric, the software, some of the underpinning memory technologies are all key to not only making high-performance computing go fast, but the slice of high-performance computing that's increasingly important, and that's the data analytics piece. So we're excited about the prospects for that. The Alliance really has three components. It has this technology component, it has this educational component that we talked about, and then it has this solutions component. And we've also spent quite a lot of time in the last couple of months on the solutions component, right? So I just sat through a briefing for a set of financial services solutions that we're going to be rolling out together with Intel in Q1 and Q2, focused on low latency trading, right? Some of the trade matching stuff based on some of the Knight's Corner processing technology. Some software work that we're doing in Europe to try to make a financial trading library go really, really fast, and some work with one of the Asia Pacific banks. So we're really working at all three regions now. We're starting to hit on the solutions angle. This is going to be an exciting year for us coming up.
Yeah, I think the word there is we're scaling it out. Right, we're scaling it out. And then in terms of the theme for Intel at the show is fueling your insights, right?
Yeah.
And I absolutely agree. This is it's about moving beyond just straight up, traditional HPC, which is modeling and simulation, right, and expanding into those markets where HPC capabilities really matter, right? High performance data analytics, visualization, potentially even into machine and deep learning. Okay, so all of these are expanding the market for high performance computing, and really allowing it to have the impact in the world which we think it really can have.